Alright guys, so we're in this creepy abandoned country club. Now, I got a bad feeling just walking in here. Now, tonight I'm here with Marie from Marie's Life Vlogs and Mysteries. I'm here with Al Capone 3, Alex, and Angie the Green-Eyed Angel. This is a cool place. What a long ride to get here. And so far it got us like into the first part of the building, so man, I got a bad vibe though.
I do too.
Right? Yes. This is cool. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Urban Ghost Urban Exploration. We got such a treat for you guys. First of all, we're at an abandoned country club. We drove so far to get here. This place is insane. What was that? What was that?
It sounded like something stepped on a piece of paper.
Let's hope we're here alone. Anyway, tonight Rob and I brought some really awesome guests tonight. You know Marie from Marie's Life Vlogs and Mysteries. Please check her out. First video that we're ever doing with Al Capone 3. Guys, please check him out. And of course, Angie the Green-Eyed Angel. Please check her out too. This place is intense. Like, I don't know, it's just got such a heavy feel to it. You guys are coming with. Guys, we are at one of the creepiest places. This used to be a country club, and we're up here and took the trip. And man, what a spooky place. Look, there's a rocket ship.
It's not very good, huh?
I don't know, there's a doorway. I think it just goes back to that room I was at. This place is creepy, man.
This place is creepy.
It's really creepy. He's gonna go outside. So the first part of the building that we're in is actually a dead end. Like it comes right here, and then we have to go around. So I'm gonna check out what's here. Kind of gonna split up. I'm gonna see if there's another point of access here. This place is tremendous. Trying to figure out how to get to the other side of the building. This place is so spooky. think you actually have to exit this place to find a new entrance. Careful in here, man. This thing is definitely questionable. Right there, bro. I found a basement. Bro, there's a basement. This was in a... Yeah, but it's one of the big giant birds. Big giant bird.
Get out of here. Get. He's pissed at you, man. I don't know what you did to it, but... He's pissed. He's pissed at you, man.
Let's go back. No, I had me scared for that.
I don't know, you got chased out of the place by a turkey vulture.
I think it was the size of a turkey. Alright guys, you know I'm afraid of animals. That bird scared the heck out of me. Holy crap. Please no more. Killer birds. I could deal with ghosts, bro.
Oh man, this is bad. Alright, this is not gonna be easy. It's so full that it's basically just a slope. It's not stairs anymore. So just be careful.
Yeah, you fall down in this stuff, bro. You're not going to be a happy camper. If one of those wild turkeys comes running out, bro, and crying like a little girl.
There's feathers down here, so they might be down. Oh, there's a lot of feathers down here. Yeah, they must nest down here, that's for sure. Okay, well. Holy crap. So it's either them nesting down here or something inside.
What's
Oh no.
that?
There's bones down here too, so.
What?
There might be something that's eating these down here. Which I'm more concerned with. There's no other ways out except those stairs, I think, so just be careful. There's a bed down here. Over there.
Hey.
Yeah. Is there somebody in here? Yeah. Yeah.
This is where they would park the
Yeah.
golf carts.
That's like an office or something there. There may be somebody in there. There's only one entrance and exit down here. I don't like that. Is it open?
There's something against the door. Do you think there could be somebody in there?
Yeah.
Look.
This is.
Someone in there?
Oh, yeah. There's a piece of wood again. Because I think this goes to some sort of room outside. It looks like it's a shed, but like I can see trees too. Yeah. Really trapped down here.
Here's the deal. That door behind me has a piece of wood leaning up against it. So that usually an indication that somebody's in there. But I knew I heard something. Let's leave them alone. Man, this is freaky.
There's something in here, dude. Oh, something's here. Is that just them upstairs? I don't like feeling freaking trapped, man. We are freaking trapped. Yeah. There's something. It sounds like something's upstairs.
So tell them not to come down here because
Yeah.
there's probably somebody in that room.
Wait, is there a room over there? There's another door down here.
Do you hear that? Rob. Who's talking around here? Listen. Right.
Is that just them upstairs?
I don't know. Oh my God. There's a big rocket ship.
I don't like feeling freaking trapped.
This is freaky. Let's get out. Gotta tell them not to come down here because there's probably somebody in that room. Rob. Hey, Alex. There's a basement here, but there's a basement. Here's the deal, though. If you go down there, there's a door all the way at the other side. Try not to open it, bro, because I tell you what, I think somebody's in there for real.
No.
They got it barricaded.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, the ghost tube said dog.
No
that
way.
creepy? Isn't that creepy?
We heard a dog.
We heard a dog, so I was like, what the heck?
Man, bro.
I can't believe.
Be careful down there. Be careful walking, and also be careful of the door all the way on this end. Or, I'm sorry, Alex, that end. You can't open it, and don't try.
There's another door straight.
Did you hear someone down there?
I heard something.
Somebody's barricaded in that room.
Like voice or something down there for sure.
What's going on?
There's another door straight down below that goes out there.
Oh, and I found the bathroom he passed away in, and I heard like a whistle. That sounded like a dog. In the bathroom, it sounded like someone was breathing in my ear.
Which bathroom? The one that I passed over here?
Yeah, the long one, yep.
Oh, bro, I'm gonna go
That's where he
check it
passed
out.
away.
You want me to go with you? You good?
I'm good, I'll go alone.
Just be careful. If you need us, yell. That door, seriously, bro. There's probably somebody in there.
I'm gonna knock on it and see if anybody responds.
We try to open it. It's barricaded. Right, Alex is going alone. All right, Alex, it was nice knowing you, man.
It was nice knowing you.
There's a door down there that goes out there to this like stone area.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's try to find the ladies, make sure they're okay.
There's a whole like hallway of
This is kind of where we came in, isn't it? This place is crazy. Freaking bad. Man, I tell you guys, holy cow. I'm okay if a maniac shows up. I'm okay if a ghost shows up. Hell, I'm okay if a demon shows up. Birds and bats, no thanks. And they're all over the place. What is that bag right there?
That's his
Okay.
microphone.
So we gotta find another way around. I don't know. This place is insanely spooky.
What is that?
Looks like a part of a chainsaw.
There's a shed. Oh, that's that person.
We gotta find the girls, make sure they're okay.
So stinking dark out here, and there's a ridiculous amount of animals. It's like all just straight forest, and there's a lake over there. That's a freaking, what was that? It was a cow. Okay. Why are there like a million animals out here? Where the heck are we? It's freaking. Is there an entrance over there? Sticking.
That's a freaking. What was that?
This was a cow, bro.
Was it a cow? Why are there like a million animals there?
Those freaking things all over me.
Is there an entrance in there?
This might be. Yeah, this is the same spot. It's a weird place. Angie, Marie. No. I thought it was you. I don't know. I know this much. We gotta find Marie and Angie.
They must be outside somewhere. Why would they just be outside? But I didn't see any lights. There's no lights out there.
I don't think we covered this whole place, my man. I think we're trapped.
Did they go to the
Right here, right here. Let's go this way. This is the staircase.
Somewhere. Why would they just be outside? But I didn't see any lights. There's no lights out there.
I don't think we covered this whole place, my man. We're trapped.
Did they go to the car?
Right here. Let's go this way. This is the staircase.
Staircase. Oh. It's It's like freaking Tomb Raider. Does it? This is really bad down there, so be careful. We aren't very light people, so. That sounded like it was in here.
Alex, you okay? What was that noise, bro?
Did you hear that though? I hear him talking, but something went ow.
This is a weird maze. There's nothing to go through here.
Where are they? What the heck is going on? There's trails that go out there. They didn't go down a trail. You didn't think they'd be silly enough to do that, would you?
I want to find them this morning.
How do we not see? There's no lights.
This is getting me nervous because I know where Rob is, I know Alex is downstairs, and I don't know where Marie and Angie are.
Like, last I saw Marie was right there when I was going over there. So.
Let me find them. I'm not cool with them not being with us. Wait. Is there light coming from there now?
Is that your light reflecting off the window? Yeah.
This is getting me nervous because I know where Rob is, I know Alex is downstairs, and I don't know where Marie and Angie are.
Like, last I saw Marie was right there when I was going over there.
Okay.
So.
Let me find them. I'm not cool with them not being with us. Wait. Is there light coming from there? No.
Is that your light reflecting off the window?
Yeah. Bat. I'm out. Freaking bats in this place. Oh my God. Angie, Marie. Something isn't right.
How did we get separated?
No.
We're all in the same building. I don't understand.
All right, I'm gonna face a bat and go find them.
They didn't go down to see Alex, did they?
No, I don't think so. Hey, Rob. I hear talking. I don't know if it's them. Angie, Marie. Wait. Yes, I'm gonna go find them. I know I almost went right through there. I don't care. I gotta find them.
I think that just doesn't it?
Do you see them? I almost went right through there. I don't care.
Yo. I think that just doesn't that. Angie! Marie! Hello? Hey! There's nothing. Joe, man. Angie! Marie! Angie! Marie? There's no freaking lights. What the fuck? Yeah. Joe, there's no lights. There's no lights. Nobody's responding. I don't even hear Al Capone now. I'm getting, I'm seriously worried. I don't hear anything now. I should be seeing lights. Hearing something. There's something over there. There's something over there. There's something over there. Did you hear that? It was a scratch or something. I don't even hear Al Capone now. What's going on, dude?
Glad we found you guys.
Huh? You just freaked me out.
You freaked us out. Yo, when we were here, there's a door at the end of that hall that's blocked off. I think there's probably people in there.
Oh, really?
Could be. I mean, somebody's got that door barricaded, and we heard voices down here like crazy.
The basement. This is so crazy.
Now that I know that they're okay, I'm going to go to Rob and try to find another entrance in this place. Wow, that's creepy. I'm so glad we found the ladies. Be sure to check out everybody's video because we did split up and it's going to be different videos, but let me find Rob. They're here.
Down here the whole time?
Yeah. Do you have your phone on you? Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay. One up there. Any spirits here? Come talk to me. I'm going to go off on my own. So what you don't want to do is lose track of anybody. So I'm glad we found everybody. I heard something in the bathroom now. I purposely split up so we all have different footage. I think this place is a lot smaller than it looks. Whew. But I want to see if we capture anything paranormal. Clearly I could hear their voices, so they're downstairs. This is scary. Come to me. This looks like it would have been the gift shop. This seriously is. Sorry, there's so much stuff on the ground, guys. I can't help but crunching through stuff. And it's a full moon. It looks really cool. I love abandoned places. Always have. Trying to see if there's another access point. I think we may have actually filmed the whole place, believe it or not. I don't think there's another access. Maybe I'm gonna try over here. But I think that's where we came in. So is this place haunted? I mean, honestly, I really don't know. Is it creepy? I know that. This place is really cool. I mean, what an interesting place to explore. Is it haunted? I don't know. In the bathroom, I'm going to go back there because I thought I heard some stuff. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I mean, basically, I went ahead and filmed the whole place within probably 10 minutes. But, man, those birds scared me, guys. At least you get a good laugh off me, right? I'd laugh at me, too, with it. Hey, Rob, how's it going? Yeah, how you feeling here?
I can't really stay down there. I get really kind of lightheaded, but it may just be down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check out that bathroom again. I think we pretty much checked out the whole place, bro. Yeah, I'm not going through no trails. Al's doing the necrophonic app, so please check out his channel for the necrophonic session that he does. I see Angie's coming up, and I think Marie's coming up. So I'm going to go down there by myself and try that out. It's spooky in that basement, isn't it?
it is.
Yeah.
I've been picking up some nails out here.
I wonder if people are locked down there for like sacrifices and rituals.
You smell the urine in here?
Yeah, sorry I had to go.
No,
You
it was
had to go.
weird.
I couldn't help myself. It's my urine. I'm sorry. I think that room down there, did you try to open that door?
No, we didn't go down there.
Did you try to open the
I
door?
didn't try, I took the warning.
It's creepy. I'm gonna try it down there by myself for a few minutes and see what I capture. You're right about the bathroom. I went in the bathroom and I'm pretty sure I heard like somebody talking, and it sounded like, almost like a chuckle behind me. It was pretty creepy.
Heard someone breathe in my ear.
Yeah.
And when you go down, you'll notice all the black feathers. They use black feathers in witchcraft. There's a lot of like satanic stuff on the walls down there.
Oh, you haven't
Yeah,
been
it's
down, you have
creepy.
been down there.
I've been down there, but I haven't been down there by myself.
Okay, be careful.
All right.
Yeah,
I think we pretty much covered this. This place is deceiving. It
Is
looks
there
like
other
it.
rooms though?
It would look like it would be a monstrous building,
Yeah.
right? I think we did everything. But we still have another location we might do too.
Yeah, stay tuned for that.
All right, wish me luck, guys. I'm going down.
All right, be careful.
Good
All
luck,
right.
Joe, and be
It
careful.
was nice knowing you guys. Nice knowing you.
Here, give me the car keys.
Rob has the car keys. You're safe.
Okay. We couldn't find him.
All right, so far I haven't really experienced much. Maybe in that bathroom, yet to be determined. Down there by myself, scary. And you guys are coming with. Let's go. Come on, talk me into it. Okay, I'll do it. Let's do it. You don't want to slip on this mess. You trust me. This is a mess. No Christmas tree. I'm going in the basement by myself. There's also always a lot of like Illuminati symbology in these places. So unfortunately, I'm getting a lot of noise from upstairs, but it's not really their fault. It's inevitable. I mean, just moving around this place, talking echoes through here, but curious to see what I pick up now. I'm gonna see if I could change this light color. Somebody told me that they like the light, but they like it a little brighter, so let's see. Any spirits here? Come out, wherever you are. So I thought I just heard whispers around me, but I don't know if it's their voices from upstairs. It's the unfortunate thing. You really don't know. And I'm curious to see what's behind here. And they say curiosity kills the cat, right? Anything's outside. All right, so curiosity kills the cat, but at least I know nobody's back there. I really thought that, I'm so used to like going to places and people barricading themselves in that's what I thought. But better be safe than sorry. My camera looks really weird. I like doing my Max Katie. Counselor! Is that you, counselor? Sometimes I like to amuse myself, I suppose, because I don't want this to happen to me. All right, I think we've pretty much filmed what we can here. Hope you guys like this video. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was certainly fun to make. Is this place haunted is the question? I don't know. I didn't really hear much. I thought I did. Until we play this back, we really don't know. So anyway, guys, please check out Angie, the Green-Eyed Angel, Marie from Marie's Life Vlogs and Mysteries, and of course, Al Capone 3. Thank you for watching tonight. I'm going to walk my way out because it stinks in here. Let's do this. Are you serious? If you just cursed me, well, F you too. But I heard something curse me for real. That's crazy. You know what? Oh, man. Let's get out of here, bro. Now, this was a cool place. Small though, my God.
Country club.
Yeah. I'm gonna walk through this bathroom one more time. This is where I heard something. I think this was the bathroom. Talk to me. Are you here? Was there somebody trying to talk to me before? Over here? Is something here? And here's where I actually picked up something like a voice and a giggle.
Hot?
Thank you.
What's your name?
What app are you using?
This is the regular ghost tube.
Oh, cool.
It checks for electromagnetic fields and it has like a dictionary that the spirits can manipulate and put out words.
Oh, nice.
I've gotten a few names from it tonight.
Did you?
Yeah, I
Did you get
did.
any of our names?
No, I didn't get any of our names. Got David, Catherine. There was another one. I said mother, father.
Wow.
Just now told you he was hot.
Jeez. I love this app. I thought, so when I was here earlier, I thought I heard like a giggle and I heard talking over here, right in this area. So I don't know what's there.
We heard something run around that, like down out there where we were standing. Like we heard it run this way and this way. Like,
One of those big giant birds came chasing after me when I first walked in here. You're gonna laugh your ass. What?
fire? Was there a fire here? Down in the basement, I heard a drown.
I don't know, this place freaks me out a little bit, but I don't know if I picked up much. I'm not sure until I play it back.
Yeah, I think you did, because I've been picking up stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know that I've heard stuff in here.
this is cool.
Vincent.
Vincent?
That's funny. I talked to my uncle Vincent today. I haven't talked to him in years. That's crazy that name came
That's
through. It's not a
strange.
common name that comes through.
Is Vincent who died in the bathroom? Is that you?
Yeah, I think that's Alex or Rob. I think your mom's right out here. I think. I know Rob's right there. Ooh, man. I went right through this, but I get like hyped up. Like, this is where I went through. I mean, I get hyped up if like I can't find everybody and I want to make sure everybody's okay. All right, this party is over. We're probably going to do another location, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. This was fun to make. A lot of people asked us, they said, hey, you know, not every place you can go is haunted, and that's true. And we're putting out any video that we make, whether it's haunted or not. So if it is this haunted, you decide. I can't wait to go back and play this. I can't wait to get out of the urine smell too. And please, again, check out everybody's video. And we're gonna walk our way back to the car. Probably do another location tonight. Love you guys so much. Peace out. All right, so I'm gonna go get Angie because everybody's outside the building except her, so let me do this. Angie. Angie. We gotta go. There's a car out there.
Alright guys, we're gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my friends. Their links will be in the description below.
Alright, so.
See you guys soon.
Alright, we're on our way out. And yeah, it's time to go. Alright, lights off, we're out. Peace.